So here's a food particle of pizza, which contains carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. The digestion first starts in the mouth, where the salivary amylase, which is an enzyme, breaks the polysaccharides into smaller polysaccharides. And also the mouth helps chews up the food particle. And all that turns the food particle into a bolus, so that way it can go to the esophagus. And that is aided by the epiglottis, so that way the food particle can go through the stomach, into the stomach. So in the stomach there is a chief cell and a parietal cell. And the chief cell makes pepsin, and the parietal cell makes hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps make the stomach more acidic, and the mucus prevents the hydrochloric acid from consuming the stomach. And the pepsin breaks the proteins into smaller polysaccharides, polypeptides, so protein digestion. So after the stomach, the food particle goes into the small intestine, where in the first part, called the duodenum, and the gallbladder puts out bile salts, which emulsifies the fat, and the lipase from the pancreas digests the fats into glycerols and fatty acids, and also pancreatic amylase, which digests the polysaccharides into disaccharides, and then eventually to monosaccharides, and trypsin and chymotrypsin from the pancreas, which digests the proteins into the polypeptide bonds into small amino acids. So after that, the duodenum, it goes through the small intestine, and then the small intestine, there's microvilli and villi throughout, and the epithelial cell, and it basically absorbs nutrients. And so after the food particle goes to the end of the lumen, it goes into the large intestine, where it is absorbed, where it becomes the water, and it goes to the colon. And so all that will turn the food particle into feces, and it's stored in the rectum, and then it goes out to the anus.